Hello and welcome to FountainFX on Monday the 7th of July 2014. We're looking at the Euro US dollar on the 4-hour chart. As we can see, last Thursday here with this very long down candlestick, that was when the non-farm payrolls came out on Thursday. Then on Friday we had very much a slow day. It did move 20 points down. But from Friday we were saying let's have a look at we were expecting some consolidation, hopefully a break of this downtrend, and we've seen that today with a view that price may start to then turn and gain some momentum and push back up to this high at the 136.60. I have put in a buy stop order at the 136.20, which is if price pushes up and breaks above this previous high here. To then get triggered in on a buy trade and take it as price pushes up towards the 136.50 area. And if we look down here, I have, with the fact that there was a break in this downtrend, I have placed a market order in here on the 135.90, so 136 is where I've taken the buy order because of the break here. However, I've got my stop down here below this previous area of support, so we are looking at it from a viewpoint that price will turn and move up. No guarantees, as I said before, so price looks like it's starting to push down from this area. It's as if it's got underneath this previous area of support as price came down to here, and it looks like it's continuing down. But we shall see. It's about whether or not this previous area of support here will hold. It is where price, there was a lot of buyers that came in this area previously, and price pushed all the way up to create a new high. So we are trading based on previous price action and also based on current price action, with a view that with the news, which caused a significant push down in terms of the strength of the dollar, that we're looking for this to basically to turn and to push higher and close that what would perceive to be a gap, but that's basically a fall in the currency based on news. So that's the prediction. We shall see if it does work to that. It has broken this downtrend, so it's about looking to see if it does turn and close this gap and rise all the way up to the 136.50, 136.60 area. If we just take a quick look at another currency pair. Now, looking at the US dollar Swiss franc, it should be, and it is, the reverse of the Euro US dollar. We've got, when we have dollar strength, we see the currency pair rising. Dollar weakness, we see it falling. So if we think about it with the Euro US dollar, we've seen price fall at the point of the news being issued, and that has gone that way. Now with this, we've got the MACD plotted, and we can see that there's some consolidation as price is starting to roll over. It's still pushing up. It hasn't broken the uptrend line, and but however, that said, the actual MACD histogram upwards momentum is starting to turn. We also, based on the moving averages of the MACD, are at a high. So therefore, when this crosses below this zero line, we should expect to see some momentum pushing back down. It would be a confirmation to be saying sell. If we can see prices actually at a previous area of resistance, if we look at the high here off this point here, where price then turned and created a lower low from here, broke through this previous low to the left. And so therefore we're looking at the possibility or the opportunity to take a short from here should price break through this upward trend line and break below this previous low here. So that's really what we're looking at on this. So it is the reverse of what's been happening with the Euro US dollar, but we are waiting for confirmation on that. So we want to see the break of this trend line, and we also want to see the break of this support at the 0.8930. So that's really what we're looking for. At this point we would then be looking to short and see price break all the way down to close this area, this movement here. Potentially it could continue to fall, but that's really what we're looking for. Is we're looking at this news movement here. We're looking to see it close that before it then continues in the uptrend, or it may turn and carry on in a downtrend. But we're at this point here critical point, and we need to wait and see what price wants to do before we take a trade. Anyway, that's it. Often you can look at the euro US dollar, look at the reverse of it, and the US dollar Swiss franc. One may not give you a good signal or good opportunity to enter, while the other one does. And quickly moving on to the pound US dollar, we can see here that this has been following very much an uptrend, so a lot easier to trade. Just take the pullback on the uptrend. It pulled back very nicely to the trend line, and then when we got the break of that pullback, we gave a nice buy. We've now created a double top up here at the 171.70 area. So the 171.70 has proven to be the area of resistance, and it's turned, it's broken through this trend line. However, a key thing is that we're looking at this area of support, the neckline of the double top, and it hasn't actually broken that as of yet. So it hasn't given us a clear signal to say yes, it's now going to be in a downtrend. It is in a short-term downtrend, as we can see. It may give us an opportunity to re-engage in the uptrend. So we just need to be aware of that. That's 3 currency pairs in one blog today. Happy trading from FountainFX, and we will catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye.